Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBPUSD for Friday. If you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. And if you trade on other pairs like Euro USD, Gold USD, then you can check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel as well. So let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of GBP USD in front of us right now, and as we all know that due to the ongoing war between Russia and Ukraine, there was a heavy sell-off on GBP USD yesterday, GBP USD, Euro USD, and sharp bullishness was seen on the chart of gold. But when UK and US imposed heavy sanctions on Russia, okay, we saw that markets are trying to recover. In fact, after the sanctions, we also saw sharp fall on gold. Gold made a high of 1974 and right now it is trading at 1924 and it made a low of 1878. Just think about the volatility. Okay, in the chart of GBPUSD also we can see that after the low of 1.3273, okay, it is trying, okay, there was sharp price rejection and it tried to recover, right now trading at 1.3398. I have already showed this on my earlier videos on Euro USD and gold that global market is also trying to recover. This is the KOSPI Korean index here, and we can see Korean index is trying to recover here in positive. Hang Seng was positive in the morning, but right now under some pressure. Okay. But if we look at the chart of Nikkei also, we can see that Nikkei is very much positive, okay, 1.47%. So stock markets around the world, though they have witnessed heavy sell-off for the last couple of days, but right now they have factored in the war and market is trying to recover. I have already explained in my other videos that this is how market reacts. Okay, whenever there's a crisis in the world, market usually shows some correction, but by the end of the day, market always recovers. So we are also seeing the same thing on GBP USD as well. So GBP USD is trying to recover here, but the problem with the chart is that our problem is not with GBP USD, it's with gold also, Euro USD, any market. Okay, the problem is that we are not sure right now whether this is the sell on rise market or whether this is a trend reversal. Okay, if I look at the past, then this looks like a trend reversal. Okay, because market is factored in everything and why market is trying to recover, it looks like a trend reversal, but we cannot deny the fact that market is extremely bearish also. Okay, so if you can afford to take some risk right now, then yes, you can take a buy position and see. But new traders, beginners, this is just a learning opportunity for you. Do not enter into the market. Respect your hard-earned money, protect your hard-earned money. Market is going nowhere. Just take it as a learning experience. Just try to learn how the market reacts, how market performs whenever there is a crisis in the world. Those who have been trading for the last 1 year or 6 months, this is a great learning experience for you from the trader's perspective. Otherwise, war is not good for anyone. Okay, it's a black day. So new traders, beginners, please avoid trading right now, because see, if you look at the market also, we do not have a clarity about the market. Maybe after some time you'll see market going down, but can we consider this as a fall again? No. And after we know it very well that for the last couple of days market is extremely sensitive to news right now. Okay, so in case there is a news in the market, some bad news, then GBP USD will start going down again. Okay, but still this, it's very risky. Again, I'm saying if you can afford to take risk, if you have a considerable experience in the market, then that's a different chapter. You can take a buy position right now, you can take a sell position if market breaks this bearish flag also, but otherwise this market is not at all good. Okay, if market comes down to a level of 1.3273 level, the low made by the market yesterday, then you can observe the market and see. What I think is that if market touches the level of 1.3273, the yesterday's low, then I think that there will be some fresh selling in the market, and there is a possibility of market breaking down. So if market breaks this level, then you can take a sell position, because that will be a fresh wave of selling in the market. But as of now, I will not say that buy here, sell here, buy here, sell, because as a trader, you know when to trade. You should also learn when not to trade as well. After all, this is market, this is not gambling. Okay, please be a trader, not a gambler. So take risk for the day, observe the market, use it for learning purpose, and let's pray for the people of Ukraine. Bye bye. Take care.